All right, good Tuesday morning. Thanks for logging on, checking out this Iowa forecast update. We'll be dealing with southwesterly winds today, about 10 to 20 miles per hour across most areas. You can see about 5 to 15 as you get down to the southeastern part of the state, but that's going to bring those wind gusts up there about 20 to 30 miles per hour today. So it's going to be a little breezy out there. High temperatures. Do like this model overall, illustrating the upper 30, lower 40 category here across the eastern part of the state, generally because of all that snowpack from the accumulated snow that fell here a few days back. And then 40s back to western Iowa, where there's very little, if any, snow on the ground. Low temperatures tonight, you can see teens, lower, mid-20s across the state. Forecast radar, we are watching for a very quick clipper system to pull through later today, which can bring maybe a shot for some flurries later tonight. This is by about 3 p.m. This is by about 5 p.m. You can see generally, specifically northwest Iowa, maybe there's a risk for some flurries between 3 and 7 this afternoon and into this early evening. Otherwise, this risk continues to pull down into the center part of the state as we get deeper into tonight. I would say generally the northwest half of the state may be the best bet for some flurries overnight tonight. Overall, I'm just not going to spend a lot of time on it. It's just a very weak system pulling through. The stronger system we're going to be watching is going to be late Wednesday into Thursday and actually into early Friday. So late Wednesday afternoon, I think we'll start working in some snow across western Iowa. There is quite a bit of dry air with this, so that is something we have to keep in mind. So it's possible that back across western Iowa, this snow is not actually hitting the ground later Wednesday. Something we have to fine tune with the overall forecast. But I think we're seeing an uptick in the snow across the state of Iowa on Thursday, generally central southern Iowa here. And I think it's safe to say if you're south of Highway 20, you're probably getting snow here on Thursday. Again, keep in mind with that dry air to the north, there's going to be a sharp cutoff on who's getting snow versus who isn't. So that is something we're also going to have to continue to fine tune. But as we get into later Thursday night, early Friday morning, this will pull east of the state. So the probability for an inch of snow here, go ahead and draw the line here of at least, along the 50% chance and higher. So along this line south, at least a 50% chance for at least an inch of snow. Generally Thursday through early Friday. So that's kind of the overall timing here. High temperatures though on Wednesday, you can see 20s to the north, 30s to the south. We get into Thursday and Friday, we're just kind of hanging around in the 20s. This is Thursday, this is Friday. And as we get into Saturday, you can start to see 30s back into western Iowa. And especially by the time we get to Sunday, which I won't show you, I kind of did touch on this yesterday, that we're going to start working back in some 40s and 50s by this late upcoming weekend and into early next week. So it will be getting milder after we get these couple storm systems through the area. Hope you guys have a great day. Chat with you soon.